Welcome, IndaTube family. Here are 10 things you should consider doing to enhance your personal and professional life. Set clear goals. Establishing specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals can provide direction and motivation. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. Incorporate regular exercise, a balanced diet, adequate sleep, and mindfulness practices into your routine to improve overall well-being. Lifelong learning. Continuously seek knowledge through formal education, online courses, reading, and attending workshops or seminars to stay current and adaptable. Time management. Develop effective time management skills by prioritizing tasks, setting deadlines, and using tools like calendars and to-do lists to stay organized and productive. Build a network. Cultivate professional and personal relationships by networking, joining relevant groups or associations, and staying connected with peers and mentors. Financial planning. Create a budget, save regularly, invest wisely, and plan for retirement to ensure financial stability and security. Practice resilience. Develop the ability to bounce back from setbacks by staying positive, adaptable, and focused on solutions rather than problems. Develop soft skills. Enhance interpersonal skills such as communication, teamwork, problem solving, and leadership to improve both personal and professional interactions. Give back. Engage in community service or volunteer work to make a positive impact on society and gain a sense of fulfillment. Self-reflection. Regularly assess your goals, achievements, and areas for improvement to stay aligned with your values and aspirations. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Your subscription helps me create more great content, and you'll get notified whenever there's a new upload. Thanks for your support.